How to properly uninstall and reinstall Nvidia drivers. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in this video we will learn how we can properly uninstall and reinstall Nvidia drivers. So without further delay, let's get started. So for that, click on the search icon and then go to your device settings. Once you're in the settings, navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side, click on apps. Under apps, click on installed apps. There you will have a search bar. And in the search bar, type in Nvidia drivers. So these are all the drivers that are installed in your device. Now to uninstall them, click on this three dots icon next to it, click on uninstall. So you have to repeat the same steps for each of these drivers right here. Click on this three dot and then click on uninstall. Once you have uninstalled all of the driver, now to reinstall them back, what you can do is you can go to the official Nvidia site, or you can also open up the GeForce experience in your device. Click on the search icon and here go to GeForce experience or the Nvidia experience. So you can also reinstall the drivers from this application itself. Once you open it up, you may be asked to log in into your account. So here it says sign in with Nvidia. Here you can log in with your Google account, and once you're logged in, head over to drivers from the top left corner. After that, you will have all of the available drivers that you can reinstall or install in your device. So from there, select the drivers that you want to install, click on install, and that's going to help you reinstall all of the Nvidia drivers. And that's all for today's video. That's how you can properly uninstall and reinstall Nvidia drivers, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.